Ronde Mukonyi bumuraibwensi ya Kenya Kithure Kindiki ritukoria rero nigo aikirana somo igabu kubekirwa hegutwa kwa cadet asensemeria ya KWS. Kindiki nigo bono hamotogyo muwaziri wizara ya mang'ana y'obotari n'eking'iti choro sana asebo iganyare kubatogia aba cadet abo hase omukia babekire goika buikiranu goika kubekirwa chigutwa moyogoyo nigo korekana asensemo ya Mayani hase county ya Taita Taveta bunago tumanyumuri kito Julia Obuba.
Waziri we wizara y'obotari Rebecca Miano nigaene kyo kuigeke nibo erego kinia sekta y'obotari na korosie nibo asense ya Kenya. Nigaya kwa naya asoma igaboko wekerwe gutwa aba cadet ba KWS.
Your Excellency, these officers will be an addition to the resource that is required to propel the mandate that we have been given as a ministry and our three priorities going forward, that is promoting investments in the tourism and conservation sector, capacity building, and aggressive marketing that will reintroduce Kenya to the world.
Wokwana Kindiki nigaenekia una serikali nigo yabekire merioberio asokorenda ching'iti choro sana nonyogo kina wetu ching'iti choro sana kwa bere goko enekigwa ama kiaya nigo Kindiki arire ira yo kutumeka chinchera chekerero ero gotange bikore bunebyo.
To meet growing demand, KWS is expanding in-park facilities, increasing bed capacity from 1,800 to 4,000. New facilities are already under development, with more being planned. This will strengthen Kenya's position in leisure, adventure, and MICE tourism, while spreading economic benefits across every county of our country.
Boigo nigaira neriambu ya mono gochemo waziri Rebecca Miano na kueneke buna ambachiko gareya ching'iti choro sana chiko bera boigo niga gokero moyegoyo bwoko bekerwe gutwa aba cadet ba KWS.
Nataka nimpongeze waziri wa mambo ya utalii na wanyama pori dadangu Mheshimiwa Rebecca Miano kwa sababu ameongoza wizara hiyo kwa muda sasa, na tunapendezwa na kazi nzuri ambayo amefanya kupatia wizara hiyo sera ambayo inahitajika. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishia kwamba Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto, mimi na wale wengine ambao tunakaa katika baraza la mawaziri tumependezwa sana na kazi ya waziri Rebecca, na tunamuunga mkono katika kuendelea kuongoza wizara hiyo. To the 147 cadet officers graduating today, you are now equipped with requisite operational leadership and technical competencies necessary to address emerging threats in wildlife protection, environmental security, and natural resource governance in Kenya.
Julia Obuba, Nsoko TV.